Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute notifications on Discord. So let's start. First, open the Discord app. When the app opens, it will generally land you on your server's inbox. Tap on three bars on top left corner and you will see a menu bar at the bottom of the screen. On bottom right corner you will see your profile icon with a green circle. Now tap on that and you will land on user settings. Now scroll down and under app settings you will see notifications. Tap on that. Now you have to disable both the options system notifications and in-app notifications. Now tap on tweak notification settings. Now disable show notifications. And you are done. And that is how you can mute notifications on Discord very easily. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.